In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoices in QuickBooks. To get started, open QuickBooks and head to the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, under the Your Company section, select Custom Form Styles. This is where QuickBooks lets you create and manage the look of your sales forms. Click New Style, then choose Invoice. That will open the customization area where you can build an invoice that matches your business style and includes the details you want your customers to see. The first place to focus is the Design tab. This is where you control the overall branding and layout of the invoice. If you have a company logo, you can upload it here and adjust the placement or size so it fits neatly on the form. You can also choose your colors and fonts. QuickBooks may even match a color to your logo automatically, which is a helpful way to keep your branding consistent without spending extra time picking shades manually. You'll also be able to choose a layout template and adjust print settings, such as margins or settings for windowed envelopes. This is especially useful if you print and mail invoices and want everything to line up correctly. Next, move to the Content tab. This section controls what information appears on the invoice itself. In the header area, you can decide whether to show things like your business name, address, and contact details. This helps you present exactly the level of information you want at the top of the invoice. In the Table or Body section, you can edit how your line items appear. Click Edit Labels and Widths in the Product section. Here you can rename columns to better match your business. For example, if you bill for time instead of quantities, you might change KPI to hours. You can also adjust the width of each column to make the invoice easier to read, and choose whether to display fields like SKUs or service dates. Then look at the Footer section. This is where you control how discounts, deposits, and summary totals appear. Keeping this area clean and easy to understand can make the invoice feel more professional and reduce confusion for customers. Finally, if you want to manage additional invoice settings and fields, click Create or the plus button and choose Invoice. On the right side of the invoice creation screen, select Manage, then Customization. From there, you can turn fields on or off, such as Ship to, Discount, Deposit, or Accept Tips. You can also enable payment options so customers can pay digitally by bank transfer or credit card. Once everything looks right, your invoices will feel more polished, more useful, and better aligned with your business.